Today is an opening pack in FIFA 15 Ultimate Team. Yeah, and I will start right now. About 8 to 10 pack. I don't know. Just wait. Check the sound. Let's start now. Okay, rank go pack. Best pack just got better. Include 12 items. Most go ore. Okay, let's start now. The first pack. Is somebody good? Oh shit. That's really bad. I don't think it's good. Okay, this is to change. Okay, the second pack. I think this will better. Oh yeah, better, but not all I want. Holy shit. Okay, the third pack. Please, please. Oh, that's good. That's good. I think he. I think I will save him in club to improve my team. But this still the shit pack. Next pack. Please, please, guy. Oh, that's good too. That's really good. Oh, now I think I should quick sell, quick sell, quick sell, and no, quick sell. Okay, next. Oh, he's really good, but I have him. Andre Schuler. Yeah, really good. Schuler, I think. Zesche. I think I will, but I have already have him. Next one. Varane again. Okay. I think. Oh, I have info of this player. Varane, of course. Okay. I don't know how many pack left, but okay. Next. Matteo, really good. Oh, but still shit. Farmer, shit. Oh, nah, straight to Inter. Okay, okay. No. Oh, Barcelona. John Chamberlain. Yeah, really good. Oh, quick see, of course. Okay. Please, EA. Please. No. How I did? Matthew again? Shit. Oh no shit. Okay. And the last pack, I think is Subotic. Maybe. I don't think they are good, but I think I will transfer, transfer, and transfer. Save. And that's all. But I think one more pack is lucky. So one more pack is okay. Oh, I'm sick. That's really good. Lukaku. Shit. Also, I think that on today. See you again.